Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and today I am back with another one product twist out for you guys on my 4C low porosity hair. If you want to see what product I use and how this twist out turns out, go ahead and keep on watching. But before we start, please take some time to like, comment, and share if you like this video. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and the notification bell as well. This way you won't miss out on any of the new content that I do have planned for you guys. That is all I'm asking of you. I hope we're on the same page. If so, let's get started. Okay guys, so my hair is already washed, dip condition, and conditioned. And right now all I have to do is my twist out. And the product that I am going to be using for this twist out is going to be from Miche Beauty. It is the Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. I actually use the shampoo, dip conditioner, and leave-in conditioner for my wash day, and I already have a video on this one, so if you want to see the video, I will link it for you guys down below and also put it in the comment card up here so you guys can check it out. But anyways, we're about to get started with this twist out. It doesn't really smell, I mean it does have a pleasant smell, but nothing in particular. I guess kind of like cake batter or something like that, I don't know. But anyways, it is a pleasant smell, so you won't have any issue if you are sensitive to smell or anything. It's not strong, pretty much a neutral scent. Alrighty, so the main ingredients in this twisting butter are Cupuacu butter, I hope I'm saying this right, and mango butter. The other ingredients that you can find are first distilled water, then you have Behentrimonium, Methosulfate, Cetearyl alcohol, Theobroma, Grandiflorum, oh that's the Cupuacu butter, and Sesamum, Indicum, that's sesame seed oil. Then you have sweet almond oil, castor oil, Meadowfoam oil, mango seed butter, etc., etc. Now you guys know it is very hard to pronounce those ingredients. Please don't judge me, stay off my back, okay? I bet you can't pronounce it either. I'm just going to show you guys how I do this twist out. I'm not going to do a lot of talking, which I usually say, but I always end up doing it. But I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do the twist out and show you guys the results. And at the end, I will give you my thoughts on the product, and that will be it. So we're about to get started. So my hair feels so soft from using those products. They are very moisturizing. If you want to see my review, my demo and my review on using the products, I do have a wash day routine using all the products from that line, the Miche Beauty. Again, I will link it for you guys down below and also leave it in the comment card for you up here so you guys can check it out. But yeah, I think you guys would probably be interested in seeing more about this products right here. So I'm just using just a little bit. I'm using just a little bit of butter, and I'm making sure I apply it all over my hair. Make sure it penetrates my strands. My hair is already detangled, but I do like to run my brush. This is the Brush with the Best by Felicia Leatherwood. I do like to run it again just to make sure it is well detangled before I start with my twist. So guys, this is the next morning. I let this air dry yesterday, and right now I don't have much time, so I am going to unravel and we're gonna get going. So I am a bit disappointed, guys, because I don't feel like I got the kind of definition that I was hoping for. Maybe this product is not really meant to be used as a one product twist out or braid out or whatever. I've actually used it before for a wash and go. I'm not sure if I'll post this video or not, but maybe I will so you guys can see. Even then, I wasn't too satisfied either. I have another one product twist out on my channel, which I will link for you guys down below and also leave it in the comment card up here so you guys can check it out. That one turned out a lot better than this one did. So, I mean, I do have volume here, which is good. I love volume. But the definition to me is all right. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Maybe I'm tripping, or maybe you see what I see. I don't know. Anyways, you guys let me know, please. All right, guys. So this is me 10 hours later coming back on camera to let you know that I really don't hate this twist out. I don't hate it. It is not as bad as I made it sound earlier. Okay? Have I had better twist outs? Yes, but this one is pretty good. It has great volume and the definition is not half as bad, so I'm sorry. So that is it, guys, for this twist out. Let me know what you guys think. I again used the Miche Beauty Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. So let me know what you guys think of this one product twist out. And don't forget to check out my other one product twist out that I will link for you guys down below and also in the card up here. I will turn around so you guys can see the back of my hair. But guys, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video the big thumbs up, comment and share it with a friend. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right here and hit that notification bell as well. This way you won't miss out on any of the great content that I do have planned for you. Check me out on my social media. My handle is Leave It to Nessa. I am very active on Instagram. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.